Okay, you guys, you're welcome. I'm a genius. Unless somebody else has thought of this, but I truly just made it up today, I thought anyway. I made a waffle, and it's the best one ever. I used half a sheet of Cut Da Carb because I didn't have any psyllium husk on hand. And it's great. So I'll post a recipe later because you're going to want to make this every day, pretty much. Sorry, I'm a little stuffed up, so I hope I don't sound like Darth Vader. But full disclosure, I am not a fan of the cheese and egg waffle that everybody loves so much. Nope, I'm just too weird about eggs and the egg texture and all of that. So I decided to give this a try, and it doesn't get crispy. It's very pliable. This is super Eggo-like to me compared to the cheese waffle, in case you were disappointed by that. No hate, it wasn't for me. So this would work well as like a, I don't know, a shell of some kind, hot dog bun, whatever people are doing with these things these days.